Hello guys, I just want to share with you my homegrown bean sprout. This is the actual fourth day and here you have it. We have all this bean sprout to share with the family. I'm gonna enjoy this. Aloha. My homegrown bean sprout after 4 days. Actually, this was given to me by my father-in-law. He used this to grow his alfalfa, but yes, it's perfect for my bean sprout too. Okay, there you have it, guys. Homegrown bean sprout after 4 days. Let me pull some out to show it to you guys. Let's see. Woo, perfect. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So if you guys want to grow your own bean sprout, it's super easy. That's the bottom part. And there's what we have. The drippings. But you guys, this is only 4 days. This is what we have. We have so much. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Aloha.